Let's learn this drawing today. This is portrait drawing. You can do any drawing here. First we have to take a reference printout or any xerox of your photo and put down the boxes there like how I am showing you. You can measure as 2 cm per box. I am putting here for rows and columns numbers and alphabets. After putting that, for every box in the corner you are going to put the small numbers there. How many you will get the boxes, that much you are going to write the numbers like how I am writing here. After putting the number, you are going to make the boxes same in another sheet. I have taken there 2 cm. I am taking here 3 cm per box size. After putting the boxes, I am going to naming their same as alphabets and numbers. In the corner also same procedure I am doing here. After doing that, you can see it here. Number 4 box, the shape you can see it here. Don't see that is a eye, that is a nose or something like that. You just see the line. If you feel it is looking like a mountain, you just draw the mountain. Just concentrate one box at a time. You can see here another box I am showing you. You can see the shape there. You just draw that shape in your box. Same thing you are going to repeat for all the boxes. If you are feeling some parts are difficult, like eye part, if you feel it will be difficult, then I will show you one technique here. You can fold the reference page here, something like this. Divide it like this, horizontal and vertical. After that, you just see where the eyeball will start, where the eye line will start, where the eyebrows are getting close. You just observe that one. Then you can follow the lines. What are the lines you can see in your reference sheet. Same thing you can repeat for another eye also, or another difficult part what you are getting difficult. Maybe it is nose or ear. After the pencil outline, take your sketch pen and put outline for it. Don't fill it right now. After putting the outline, take your eraser and rub all the helping lines, graph and numbers what you have put it there. After rubbing that, take your sketch pen and fill it there. Only sketch pen you can use, it is not necessary. You can use watercolor also. Sketch pen outline is enough. Still, if you want to add little bit more detail, you can add the shading cotton technique or else pencil shading also. You can draw like this of your any favorite personalities. Thank you for watching.